Some of our names are just godly. I'm working at the New Ge'ez calendar, and the names of saints that end up with El kept popping up. And that's because God in Hebrew is Elohim in its plural version, but in its singular version is El. And this suffix, or sometimes prefix, has influenced so many Tigrinya names. Just like Mikael, who is like God. Samiel, the name of God. Daniel, God is the judge. Nathnael, shortened for Nathan, gift, and El, God, gift of God. Gabriel, the servant of God. Yoel, God is the creator, or God is God. Hizkel, God is strength. Amaniel, God is with us. Uriel, light of God. Rufael, God has healed. Betel, the house of God. Eleazar, God has helped. Elias, God is the creator, or God is God. Elsa, God is the protector. Send this to your godly named friend and Tabaruch.
Culture is cool.